Ladies and gents, we're back with another video. Um, First off, if you're new, like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. So I haven't made a video in a while. I was busy with like the end of college and stuff, finals, and then like I don't know. I had some stuff that I was gonna make a video on, but then it kind of like I don't know, time passed, and yeah. So I didn't really have anything to make a video on in a while, but now I've got a little bit of money with summer being around. And then, so I got a sneakers W, and pretty excited about this. I actually hit on two pairs of these because I have my mom go for these, and I went for them, and we both hit. The only problem is I accidentally got my pair that I hit on ordered to or shipped to the dorm, so I'm really hoping those end up back here. But so we got the black box, the black Kobe box. If you keep up with recent releases, you might know what these are. But yeah, they've been doing this, like this same box they've been using on all the Kobe's. Pull it back. And we got I forget the name, the exact, I think it's Girl Dad, I believe, is the name of the colorway. And these just look sick. If you don't know the inspiration behind these, okay, so I'll go over the upper. So it's like all over suede, and then like the swoosh is leather, but the upper is supposed to be inspired by like the beanie that Kobe was wearing, when it was at the game that he and Gigi went courtside to. So this is supposed to be the color of the beanie he was wearing, and then I think he was wearing black too, I believe. And then you got your Kobe logo. It has Girl Dad embroidered on the inside of the tongue, and then on the inside we got the Kobe logo, and then the insole's orange. He was wearing a WNBA hoodie at that game, an orange WNBA hoodie, so that's where that comes from. And then this outsole is sick. So it's like I don't know, it's really icy, but it's like icy gray. Like, I don't know, it's not completely like clear or like see-through, but it's also not completely solid. This is also, another thing I want to mention, the heel counter is really cool. It's definitely going to get scratched, and then you got 24 on the back. See, and then Kobe 4s, like I've seen, it's got 24 on both sides, but the Kobe signature is only on one side. That's just how Kobe 4s are. I think it's always on the right side. But yeah, this is my first pair of Kobe 4s. I'm excited because I've wanted a pair of Kobe 4s for a while. Since I started protroing them, I've wanted a pair. I really want to pick up some of the undefeated pairs, and I was really considering picking up the Philly pair that released a couple, I want to say months ago at this point, probably 2 months ago. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. I'll give you guys a sizing comfort review on these real quick. All right, so for sizing and comfort, so size wise, if you're a wide footer and you don't like tight fits, you either need to go a half size up, or this shoe might just not be for you, honestly. Yeah, so it's a really like narrow fit, but also these haven't been broken in yet. Like, they will break in a little bit and be a little less narrow because it is actual suede. And then comfort wise, I've always heard Kobe 4s are really comfortable. I can tell they're gonna break in really nice. I believe is it, I don't know what the protro cushioning is. It's definitely not Phylon, or if it is, it's really soft Phylon. But I'm pretty sure it's like Lunar or Cushlon or something. It's not Lunarlon. I think Lunar's softer than this. But yeah, and I know there's a Zoom bag somewhere. I'm gonna be honest, I never had Kobe 4s growing up, so I don't really know like the full like tech specs on these. But yeah, I mean, Kobe's are pretty much always really comfortable. I had a couple, like growing up, I had like the like some of his takedown models, and they were still really comfortable. And then like the Kobe ones were pretty comfortable. Now mine aren't because they're size 11 and they're too tight. But yeah, those are pretty comfortable. And then I had the AD and XT 360s, and those were really comfortable. So these are definitely going to be comfortable once they get broken in. But it is a basketball shoe, so it makes sense. Tight fit. But yeah, I'll go ahead and take you guys to the on feet real quick, and then I'll be back for the outro. Alright guys, we're back. Yeah, so these are just a really cool colorway. Really cool story on the colorway, obviously. And yeah, RIP Kobe. Yeah, I don't know. I wish with the Kobe line, I've liked that they've been releasing a lot of Kobe like colorways and stuff like that. They've been easier to get than they have the past couple of years. But one thing I wish they would do is release more clothing. Like they've released like a tee and a hoodie that were the exact same and sold out like almost instantly. So I feel like they definitely need to release more clothes. Like it's like, yeah, I'm not trying to pay resale for like a Nike shirt. Like it's crazy. But yeah, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe if you're new. If this video does well, I'll be right back with another video. So yeah, if this video does well, I'll post another video probably next Tuesday. But yeah, I'm trying to be back more consistent. Just show love. It gives me a lot of motivation to keep posting consistently. But yeah, I'm gonna be back and try and be consistent as possible. Thank you guys for all your support. Peace.